good points for you guys. I really like how you used the elastic. That was really nice, and thanks for not letting it restrict your movement. So it actually added to it, which was very nice. And I don't know if it's intentional, but there are points where you're covering your eyes, and then it's covering different parts. And it's true how drugs does affect you, in your different senses. So I really like that. I really like your use of symbols. I liked how you help one another when you're helping each other get up, because that's what I think is true. It's a really big part. I enjoyed that. What else? I had something else. If you hear the audience keep cheering as you go, it means you're keeping your audience excited through the whole dance. That's very difficult to do, and you did that really great. So well done, guys.
And we move down to Anne. Okay, hi. I really love it. I think in terms of the storyline and theme, which is because it stands like, such a high percentage in the judging criteria, you really shone in that department. Okay, because it's very rare that an item comes through with a storyline using that angle. So the start was good in terms of concept, in terms of formation and overall strength, and how you use the rest and the part. It leaves a lot of room for interpretation, which is good. So I really like how you showed the theme very clearly, at least to me. The overall teamwork, I think it shows that you guys made an effort to bond and work together as a team. So it really shows on stage. So I really love that. Just perhaps if you guys could actually, if you want to work on like removing stuff off your body, practice that a lot more. Because if you could make it neater, it could be really, really awesome. But that's the only slightly negative point. But other than that, it was an amazing job. So thanks.
Thank you, Anne. Comments as well, and Kay.
She's gonna tell you what she feels. I thought the panel was very well thought of. Like Anne said, you don't see handicap being portrayed in this kind of manner before, which is really nice. I think I really like the idea because it's less is more. You don't have big props, you don't have sign, you don't have anything. It's just the dance tells everything, which is pretty difficult to do, but it's very effective. Counting on Anne saying removing the best, I kind of a little disagree. I thought it was quite neat. You can tell that they rehearsed, fairly to know that, okay, I need to remove this at this count and wear this at this count. Especially with the girl when she throws the band around her hand, I can tell that she practiced that many times. Because when she do it, she's like, oh yeah, I'm doing this, so watch me. She doesn't spin around and getting like nervous and stuff, so I can tell that it's well rehearsed. Just a few points to work on is the facial expression. There are parts where you start looking at your friends and looking at the floor. That's when you tell the audience I'm not very sure, I think I forget my step, or I'm very nervous in that case. So when you perform, you're only on stage for 3 minutes maximum, right? So for the 3 minutes, you need to give your 110% to the audience. Right? Everything you give it to the audience, you look at them, you smile at them. If you're angry, you can show them you're angry. Okay? And I think the finale song was very, very powerful, very strong. So when the music is so strong, your performance level needs to up the level as well, go with the music. You cannot start off with the same amount of energy you have in the beginning, because the music is different, the tempo is different, and the mood is different. So when the music go up a level, your energy needs to go up as well. So the audience, as audience, we watch, we don't feel like we're going down, we feel like we're going up together with you, and when you end, and we're like, okay, finish, Okay, so well done.
Thank you very much, big fan! Do you guys like dancing with each other? Yes? Friends who dance together are friends forever. So thank you very much. Congratulations. Please bring your barang-barang, your plot to you. All the very best for the dance competition. Remember to live it loud, choreograph your dance, you may exit next time, alright? So always go for the next time. There you go. Thank you so much. Boys and girls, it's a very hot day, so remember to hydrate.